Have you ever noticed your internet getting super sluggish right after you turn on your VPN? You're trying to stream your favorite show and suddenly it's just buffering. And buffering. And buffering, or maybe you're in the middle of a crucial online game and lag spikes start costing you the match. It's incredibly frustrating, right? You got a VPN for security and privacy, but now it feels like you're sacrificing speed for safety. Is it even worth it? This isn't just a minor annoyance. A slow VPN can seriously disrupt your entire online experience. We're talking about pixelated video calls with your family, downloads that take forever to complete, and websites that feel like they're loading on a dial-up modem from the 90s. It makes you wonder if all those VPN companies promising blazing fast speeds are actually telling the truth. You start to question if you made the right choice, or if you're just paying for a digital speed bump. I've been there myself. I remember trying to upload a large work file under a tight deadline. I had my VPN on, thinking I was being extra secure, but my upload speed dropped to a crawl. The progress bar barely moved. Panic started to set in. I ended up having to turn the VPN off just to meet my deadline, which completely defeated the purpose of having it in the first place. I felt exposed and frustrated, and that's when I realized that not all VPNs are created equal. Speed matters a lot. So, how do you find a VPN that protects you without slowing you down? The secret is in the details, things like server location, the protocol you're using, and the server load. A good VPN will have a massive network of servers, so you can always connect to one that's close by and not overcrowded. They'll also offer modern, lightweight protocols like WireGuard, which are specifically designed for speed, and many premium services even have specialized servers optimized for things like streaming or gaming. It's about choosing a provider that invests in their infrastructure to give you the best of both worlds, top-tier security and excellent performance. We decided to put this to the test. We took the most popular VPNs on the market and ran a series of rigorous speed tests. We checked download speeds, upload speeds, and latency across servers all over the world. We tested them while streaming 4,000 video, playing fast-paced online games, and torrenting large files. The goal was to cut through the marketing fluff and find out which VPNs actually deliver on their promises of speed. The results were genuinely surprising. Some of the biggest names in the industry didn't perform as well as you might think, while some lesser-known contenders blew us away. For example, we found that VPN consistently provided the fastest download speeds in North America, making it perfect for binge watching. Meanwhile, VPN showed the lowest latency for gaming on European servers, and for overall balanced performance worldwide, VPN-C was the clear winner, maintaining over 90% of our baseline internet speed in most locations. We also discovered that simply switching from the default OpenVPN protocol to WireGuard on the same service could boost speeds by up to 40%. It's clear that the right VPN can make a huge difference. You don't have to choose between being secure and having a fast connection. By understanding what affects VPN speed and seeing real-world performance data, you can make an informed decision and pick a service that fits your specific needs, whether you're a hardcore gamer, a movie lover, or someone who just wants to browse the web without any frustrating delays. If you want to see all the data, compare the charts, and get our complete breakdown of the fastest VPNs of the year, I've put together a comprehensive guide. It's linked in the description below. It has all our testing methodology, in-depth reviews, and exclusive discounts for our viewers. Check it out to find the perfect high-speed VPN for you. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you reclaim your internet speed. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech deep dives. See you in the next one.